Hello everyone, myself Shubir Goswami. Today I come with a topic that model question paper upcoming examination, pre-test and final examination class 12 economic. Let's start. Question paper economics part A. Number 1 question, mark 1. What is microeconomics? B number question, what is autonomous consumption expenditure? Mark 1. Number C. Define excess demand in the context of income and employment determination. Mark 1. D. What are public goods? E. What is balance budget? F. Write down the meaning of flexible exchange rate. Number 2, 2 marks. What is GDP deflector or defined budget defect and trade defect? Number 3, what is personal disposable income? Number 4, distinguish between demand demand deposit and time deposit. Number 5, what is different between ex ante investment and ex post investment? Number 6, mention any two items of non-planned expenditure of government budget. Number 7, what is balance payment? Question mark. Mention two main accounts of balance of payment. Number 8, suppose the GDP at market price of a country in a particular year is rupees 1100 crore, net factor income from abroad rupees 100 crore, the value of net indirect tax rupees 150 crore and national income is rupees 850 crore. Calculate the aggregate value of depreciation. Number 9, define intermediate goods, final goods, consumption goods and capital goods. Number 10, measure the level of ex ante agreement. Measure the level of ex ante aggregate demand when the autonomous investment and consumption expenditure A is 50 crore, MPS is rupees 0.2 and level of income is rupees 4000 crore. State whether the economic is in equilibrium or not, or the autonomous consumption is in economy rupees 500 crore and total personal disposable income 5,000 crore. If the marginal prosperity to consume is rupees 0.8, find the out of the level of aggregate consumption. Number 11, what is revenue deficit in a government budget? Explain its important implementation of revenue deficit. Number 12, difference between devaluation and depreciation of currency. Number 13, explain the circular flow of income and simplified economy with two sector, household and firms, or write down some the limitation of using GDP as a index of welfare of economy. Number 14, What are the main function of money? How does money overcome the shortcoming of a barter system? Or briefly explain any four function of RB. Part B, number 15 question. Define planning. B. What is the main sources of leveled in India at per independent sphere? What do you mean by seasonal unemployment? Name the financial institution that supplies individual finance in India. What is environment? What was the first year plan commenced in India? What is mixed economy? Do you think that it is the portfolio to an underdeveloped country? Number 17. Name to employment generation programs adopted by the government of India. Give to agreement of new economic reforms. Give to agreement against privatization. What two causes of rapid growth of population in India? Give to example of non-renewable resources. State four problems of human capital formation in India. Discuss the role of education in economic development of economy. State to advantage and to disadvantage of liberalization. What do you mean by rural development? Mention two subject related to rural development. Mention four causes of environmental pollution. Number 25. Write to causes of poverty in India. Suggest two measures to remove poverty in India. 26. Point out four in discuss the relevance of infrastructure in developing the socio-economic aspect of country. I hope it will help you for upcoming examination. That's it for today. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.